This is a video on protecting yourself from viruses and how to clean up your computer. This is a program called Malwarebytes. It is available for free, and they also have a paid option. The paid option is, I believe it is on sale for $20 a year right now, and it just automatically scans basically with the paid version. But I will take you through the installation. So if you're on a home computer, you're protecting me or my family, hit next. The browser guard can be good, as it can tell you when you're on bad websites, and it can speed up your web browsing. So I'm going to add it to mine. You can as well. And it will install. And once this gets installed, I'm going to show you guys how to do a basic scan. Pause the video momentarily while the installation finished. I didn't want to make you guys sit through dead air while it just sat, but install is complete. As you can see here, we do have a 14-day trial of the premium, so you will have a 14-day trial of premium as well if you decide to install this at home. And you'll be able to try out some of the premium features like their VPN and get started maybe later. You can put your email in if you'd like. So this is how you start a scan. You click on scan, and this basically goes through your whole computer and just make sure there's no malware or harmful items. And if it finds things, it can remove them and remediate these threats. I hope you enjoyed and learned something today, and thank you and have a great day.